Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to calculate the area for each floor. To calculate the area we can use the command area and it will ask you to specify the first corner point or object, add area, subtract area. So I am going to specify the first corner point. Let's start with ground floor plan. This is my first corner point and again it will ask you to specify the next point. I'm specifying this as my next point. Again it will ask you to specify the next point and this is my next point. I'm just taking this portico also in the area and this is my next corner point. I'm closing with the starting point. See, it is asking again specify the next point. If you have next point you can select or else you can give the total. Okay, for total T you can give and then enter. So it will show you the area here. See, 1879 square feet. The area details will just hide. So if you want to see the details again you can just drag this command box and then you can see the area is given in square inches, square feet and the perimeter is also given here. So we can consider 1879 square feet for the ground floor and then again you can drag and keep this command line. We can just copy this table and then we can keep it here. In this we can mention as floor area. Just I am giving here ground floor GF and this will be the first floor and this will be the terrace floor. Rest all we can delete. Use the trim command, just trim these lines and here we can type it as 1879 square feet area. Let's calculate the area for the first floor. Type the command area, specify your first corner. So here I am going to consider this balcony. Okay, so I am starting from here and next point. This is my next point here and here I am selecting and this balcony also I am including in the area and this is my next point and here I am selecting and after that I am just ending with this point and I am giving T for total. So it comes around 1807.583 square foot. If you want you can drag and see. So let's consider 1808 square feet. Okay, 1808 square feet. Next let's measure for the terrace floor. Next let's measure the area for the terrace floor. Use the command area, select from here. Give T for total. It is giving the area as 1644 square feet. Enter the value here 1644 square feet. This one we can change to second floor. There is another method to calculate the area by using the polyline command. Here if you see this one, polyline command is there. Just click on that and you can draw the lines wherever you want. See, I'm just drawing the line. Throughout the area, move and then keep it aside. See, this is the polyline you have drawn and if you select this, press LI list command, it will show you the area. See, 1879 square feet. This is another method of calculating the area, 1879 square feet. In the similar manner, you can just cross check with this first floor plan as well. Just select the polyline command. Draw the line to cover the area like this. Close it, move it aside. just select the object, list command. It is 1807.583 square feet, 1808 square feet. For terrace, I'm not going to use the polyline command. Even this list command work on the closed object. Mean the object has to be a single object. See, this is a single object. If I explode this one by using the explode command, it is not a single object. So there are different lines are there. So now if you apply the list command, it won't work. It will not give you the area. So by using list command, you can find out the area of the closed object. So for that, I'm selecting the rectangle command. Just I'm drawing the rectangle to here and then move this rectangle. If you apply the list command on this, you will be getting the area. See, simply I'm drawing one rectangle here and then show you list command. So it will give you the area. You can just press the escape key, then the list command box will go off. So that's all about the area calculation. I hope you understand clearly. Let's meet in the next lecture.